Good morning, students. Today we are going to study Unit 1, Growing Up. And the first poem in Unit 1 is Am I a Child or an Adult? This poem is written by poetess Margaret Lawrence. Let us start with reading this poem. Am I a child or an adult? No, not a child. Now my dolls are gone. My dream world has rippled away. I am tall, I understand adult talk. But does that mean I am an adult? In this stanza, the poetess is describing feeling of a child that at the she is at an age where her interest in toys and dolls is gone. Her dreams has disappeared. Now she can understand the adult talk. Does this mean that the child is grown up as an adult? इसका क्या यह मतलब है कि बच्चा बड़ा हो गया है? Let us go to second stanza. Am I a child or an adult? The understanding is just not there. No, not an adult. I can't look after myself. I pay half a fare on a bus to school. But does that mean I am a child? Again the question child is asking is, I am a child. क्या मैं बच्ची हूँ या मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ? The understanding is not just there. मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों को नहीं समझ पा रही हूँ. मैं खुद का I cannot look after myself. मैं खुद का ध्यान भी नहीं रख सकती हूँ. I pay half a fare on a bus to school. Whenever she goes to school, she pays half fare. तो क्या इसका यह मतलब है कि मैं एक बच्ची हूँ? Let us move to third stanza. Am I a child or an adult? No, not a child now. It's not a teddy I love. His cherished possession is taken. Just because my toys have lost their value, does that mean I am an adult? Again, the child is saying that my interest in toys is lost. Other things has taken possession of toys in my house. So, the question she is asking that just because toys have lost their space and lost their value in my life, does it mean that I am an adult? Am I a child or an adult? No, not an adult. I do not see the reason for adult disputes. I am safe in non-understanding. But does that mean that I am a child? Again the child is saying that क्या मैं एक बच्ची हूँ या मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ? But she is confused. The reason behind is that she is not able to understand the disputes or disagreement between adults, or she is happy that she is not understanding the adult disputes. Then she is saying that does this mean that I am a child? Well, am I a child or an adult? No, not a child or an adult. No, not one or the other now. Again the child is saying that क्या मैं बच्ची हूँ या मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ? Then she concluded that न मैं बच्ची हूँ न मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ. Not a child or not an adult. One pace in front of childhood and one behind the adult. The poetess is saying that the child is one pace. One pace here means one step forward to the one space in front of childhood. मतलब कि बचपन से एक कदम वह आगे बढ़ चुकी है पर adulthood से पीछे है. Soon I shall stride into a new world, the world of adult life. जल्द ही the child just soon the child will step into a new world of adulthood. Overall, the summary of the poem is a child is being confused that whether I am a child or an adult, because at the age the child is not having interest in toys, but she is still paying half pair of bus. She is not able to understand so many things. She is not able to take care of herself. So the child is thinking that am I a child still? On the other hand, at the same time, child is having confusion that I can understand so many adult talks. I sometimes I think that parents are interfering in my life. Most of the things I want to do independently. So again the child is thinking that am I a adult? This is the confusion of the child in this poem. And the child concluded that neither I am a child nor I am an adult. I am at the middle stage of both this childhood and adulthood.